welcome to my channel and do not forget to subscribe. So we're gonna make these cute little bags, and the first thing you need to do is grab something like a circle that you have in your house. Make sure it's a little bit big, and then you're just gonna go ahead and trace it. And then after you trace it, you're just gonna go ahead and cut it out, and that's gonna give you this little circle that I have right here. Now that's for the people that don't have their machines. If you have your machine, just go ahead and cut out your circles. Now once we're here, the first thing we will do is the corner. So for us to start in the little corner so it can fit good, we're just gonna have to cut it in the middle and cut it in the middle, and then we're just gonna put a little, and then after we put a little bit of double-sided tape, what we're gonna do is just put it like that at the edge of the bag, like that. So after we're here, we're gonna just do a different color. Maybe we're gonna do purple, and what we're gonna do this one at the bottom of the purple, we're just gonna go ahead and cut it a tiny little bit like that. So when we put it in the bottom, it stays like that. Then the next one, we could do pink. You could alternate whatever color you want to do. It's up to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep cutting the bottom part, and I'm gonna do that to the bottom, to the whole bottom. For this one, I do need half a circle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the half of the circle, and we're gonna go ahead and do it like that. Perfect. Then once we're there, we're gonna have to do the color. So I guess we could just do this one here, but we are gonna need another one at the edge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some double-sided glue tape and put it at the end, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't need to cut anything else. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in, alternating colors. Get another one here, and that's how we did the bottom part. So then I got this little mermaid. You could always print this out. If you don't have a way to print it out, because I don't print this out. I do cut it in my machine and my silhouette, and I buy a file. But if you don't have it, please check my shop, my Etsy shop. I will be selling these, so you could just buy the little mermaid and you can make your own little bag. And guys, look how cute this bag turns out. Look how cute. These mermaid bags are fabulous. Now the next thing I did was my centerpieces. So what I did with the centerpieces is I took I'm gonna take some purple. I'm gonna need this purple color, so you're gonna buy this bag from Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna go ahead and just split it in half first, and once it's half, I'm gonna split it again in half like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And then once we cut it there, we're gonna have to cut it here too. That's cut. Okay, that's cut, and this is our other paper. So let's just line them up right here. And I want my purple on top, my bright color on top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on top. And the next step is, after I line them up all straight, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this two, put it together, and I'm gonna fold it like there. Then I'm gonna flip around, fold it again, and then I'm just gonna keep folding until I'm done with all the paper. Okay, so after I'm here, what I'm gonna do is just take a piece of ribbon and tie it in the middle. Tie it there, and then I'm just gonna give another knot. I'm gonna tie it very good right there. I'm not gonna need this far, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. After I tie it here, the next step that I'm gonna do is just cut a line straight like that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Here you can give any shape that you want. You could just cut it around it like that if you want. I want it to be like this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like that. So after I'm here, what you're gonna do is just open them up and open them up. So after you open them up, it's gonna give you this. This is what's gonna happen. This is what you're gonna get after you open all of them up. So what I did next was I got this from Dollar Tree, and they have these rocks the same color, and this shutter paper in Dollar Tree. So I just put it in there. I put it on the bottom, then I put that on top. I'm going to put a little bit of this. I'm gonna put it like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing it around it like that. And what I'm gonna do next is just, I'm gonna go ahead, put some hot glue all around it. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place my thing right there. Okay guys, so the next step I did, I took a rubber band. This was like a toy, and I just spray paint. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it right there. And the next step I'm gonna do, my big mermaid, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside.